We have studied about syngamy and fertilization in previous video, and the topic is events in sexual reproduction. These sequential events may be classified into three distinct phases. First, pre-fertilization phase. Pre-fertilization phase is also known as juvenile or vegetative phase or pre-reproductive phase, and the other part is fertilization, and it's also known as a reproductive phase. And third one is post-fertilization, and the post-fertilization is the also known as phase of senescence and aging. In pre-fertilization phase or a juvenile or vegetative phase, in juvenile phase the human body, it's morphologically and physiologically distinguished outside in case of male and female, and different type of changes inside the body. Firstly, pre-fertilization divided into two parts: gametogenesis and second part gamete transfer. You know, gametogenesis in case of plants, it's gamete formation inside the microsporangium. In microsporangium is also known as pollen sac, and in pollen sac produce millions of spores inside in microsporangium. The microspores, it's also known as microspores, and microspores is common name pollen grains. And in other part of gametogenesis in case of plant, male microspores, it's a male gamete, and megaspores are a megasporogenesis. This is a process of megaspores formation inside the embryo sac, and this is also known as ovule. And in case of animals, the gametogenesis, first part is spermatogenesis, means male or sperms production, formation of sperms inside the testes, and oogenesis in case of female, means ova produced inside the ovaries. And the second part, fertilization. Fertilization is the part of reproduction, and fertilization are of two types: self-fertilization, it's also known as endogamy, and in endogamy, uniparental, means same parents, gametes of two same parental gametes fused with each other, then form offspring. And in other case, cross-fertilization, it's also known as exogamy, and biparental, it's also known as biparental, it's a dioecious in nature, and uniparental, it's a monoecious in nature. And in case of animals, the fertilization occurs external fertilization, egg and ova release outside through body in aquatic medium, and in internal fertilization, in case of external fertilization, example frog, and internal fertilization, example human beings. Inside the sperm penetrate through the vaginal tract and meet with the ova, and after growth like a zygotic condition. And third part, post-fertilization event, and in post-fertilization event, its reproductive phases are totally banned at this time period, and the fertilization divided into containing four parts. First, formation of zygote. In case of plant, formation of zygote, formation of endosperm, embryogenesis, and development of seed and fruit. And in case of animals, formation of zygote, and in zygotic condition, then converted into zygote in embryo. This phase is known as embryogenesis. And in embryogenesis, zygote diploid condition and zygotic cleavage start 4 cell to 16 cell, and 16 cell converted into 32 cell stage, and then cleavage. After cleavage, zygote converted into blastocyst, and blastocyst converted into implantation inside the uterus in mother body, and gastrulation. In the gastrulation, the germinal layers form inside in wedging the layers inside the body, and the gastrulation means 32 cell blastula converted into marula. It's 16 to 32 cell stage, and after 32 cell stage, it's a gastrulation. Gastrulation means buds formation by and the young ones, and it's converted into organ formation like a organogenesis. Last part of organogenesis. And most important term, senescence and aging. It's the 3 phases related to life cycle, and the life cycle, at last life cycle phase is senescence and aging. Both are related to plants and after maturity stage and after old age, in plants and animals. These phases are characterized by gradual deterioration of the vital capacities and by death. Previous time of death, the whole body, it's very loose, means maximum cells deteriorate and lose the capacity of the functions.